All right, I think the 7th one, but I always talk about rare vehicles. Here's a 66 Bel Air, 2-door, very rare. You need, you can fit 3 and 3. It's a very rare vehicle. Love it. Keep hope alive, baby. Oops, almost fell over there. You can tell that's where the bottle was. Or if that's 427. But look at this bad boy right here. Oh yeah, huh? Ooh, baby. Old school engines. You can get at everything. There's a Charger right here. Look at this one real quick. Look at that bad boy, huh? Ooh. Roadrunner. So you don't see these kinds anymore. So we don't care, but like I was telling the guy over there, you keep hope alive and you keep history alive by taking cars and fixing them up, putting them back. Here's another one right here, Roadrunner. 383, classic. Le Mans. A lot of you don't like, a lot of you like these. I do. I think they're cool. Come and knock out the GTO, but they're sweet. Try to get away from the music if we can. So, but yeah, it's. Look at this bad boy over here. Look at this one. It's convertible. Asia security. What do you need security for? Look at that bad boy, huh? Woohoo! Yeah.
Bush concert. He got all fucking pounded out. He was all excited for Bush. They came on. He ran up to the front. The song came on. Passed out on the rail, and then they brought him to the infirmary.
You think, huh? Some put a lot of money in that bad boy. We'll work our way back. Now they're shoved in there. So it looks like a lot of Mustangs along here. So we'll cruise along up into here. So go over here. Have the top down on that bitch boy. I mean, there's a lot of Mustangs. There's a. Look at that one. Classic. Backyard built for mom. Whoa. Heck yeah. Look at that bad boy, huh?
Oh, and then you gotta run that piss.
Word. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Cars galore, huh? Yeah. Got some Monties over there. Chevy, Iowa plates. So I'm gonna get over here. We got Nova. Oh, here's one over here. These are classic. These Rivieras. These are epic. I think I came down here, but I was on the other side. So I didn't get a good look at these. Ooh, baby. We'll get over here. Those Rivieras are cool. That's the old Impala. I mean the Innova, excuse me. And you got the Bevel. Nice, huh? Classic, get everything. It's original right there. But yeah, there's so many. Look We're gonna cruise on now over here. This is where every year they have the state fair here, and it's just full of people. I think over here, this is where there's a Callaway over there, convertible right over there. The sessions going on here. They got Diet Coke, everything else.
There you go, babe. Turn around.
Look at that bad boy. Love it. It's amazing. People want to touch the shirt when they see my body's always monetized. But can you just stop it? It's just a shirt. So, look at that bad boy. Oh, classic.
It's got a little bit more style.
No, you're okay. You're okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. So here's a chick just passed me, just totally tatted out. Look at that Corvette over there. Look at that Corvette. It's over there. Well, yeah, I was over here before. Shut up. So there's just a lot of boring vehicles, also a lot of good vehicles here too as well. But you see a lot of, like the Mark V right here. Here you go. Use some, the nice one. Hello. Hood's off. You can look at it if you want. Classic wagon for sale, 1970, 612-471-8965. Nice. Classic wagon. Oh yeah, look at that SS 396. Ooh, baby. Chevelle. Nice. What is it? What year is it? Let me guess. 69. Nice. 69 Chevelle. Good year. A lot of good vehicles back then. And we got a couple over here. Oh, we have a Chevelle convertible. We have another Bel Air. This is a 66, excuse me. Again, rare. And they have the, this is original right here. 427. Very rare. Another rare Bel Air. You don't see these too often. Not at all. See one of these for sale, buy it because, yeah, turbojet. Over here a little bit. Look at this bad boy right here. This is classic. All right, this Mustang's over here. Walk over here.
Is this like a franchise deal? Is it no?
But oh, I think here's a. Might be what is this one over here? Is that another Javelin? Oh wow, another Javelin. Nice. Sweet. I think it's for sale too as well. Yep. Another Javelin. Folk sale. Taking offers. 763-221-5239. No, maybe not. It's a CUDA, excuse me. Sorry. It's a CUDA. Sorry about that. A CUDA. So I thought it was a Javelin. My apologies for you car lovers out there. But I think I was down before, so we'll take a right and head past the grandstand. head on out of here.
Like always finding Mustang stuff.
It's classic. So, all right. Cheese curds galore. So there's that. I saw that one over here. So we're kind of back where we were before. We're gonna walk that way, past the grandstand. Be the final video to this Monte Carlo over here. Look at that bad boy. We'll head on out of here. Here we are. Monte right here. Look at this bad boy. This is well worth it right here. This is a beautiful car. Monte Carlo. You don't see too many. New Hope 1975, what I had, Monte. Mine was green. 28,000 extra miles. Yep. So people wouldn't care about this vehicle. I do. I think they're great. It's classic. Anyways, so. What do you guys think, huh? So anyways, oh, Monte Carlo for sale. 1975. 1,000 miles on it for sale.
It's like a brand new 1970.
Only 17,000. Shoot, that's stealing. Anyways, guys, see you in the next one.